Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how to set side button to open any app in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, see in the right side of our phones, this is side button, that is power key. If you double press this side key, what will happen? See here, camera is opened. Instead of opening camera, you can open any app using this side double press. Okay, for that what you go to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to advanced features, and go to side button. It is already defaultly set to quick launch camera, so that camera is opening when you double press this side button. If you would like to open any app, click on third button, open app, and set any app to be opened. Here I set calculator. Okay, so upon double pressing this side button, that is power button, your phone will have opened calculator. Okay, see here, I show the demo. This is side button, double press it. Yes, calculator is opened. So in this way you can easily set any app. Okay, not only calculator, your desired app can be opened using this side double press. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.